Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today's recipe is a recipe which includes coffee and it's called Dalgona Coffee. So the first thing I'll be doing is to add 2 teaspoons of coffee, and then I'll add 2 teaspoons of sugar. I added 2 tablespoons of water, but I lost the footage. Yes, so I'm going to whisk everything together with my electric whisk for 2 minutes. You can either use a fork, a whisk, or even a spoon, but it will take a while. So after getting a consistency like this, I'll move to the next step, which is my favorite of them all. So in a glass or a jar or whatever you have, just fill it with ice cubes and then add your milk. You can use any kind of milk or any type of milk that you have. So after adding the milk to the ice cubes, add the whisk coffee and you are done. So that's all it takes to make Dalgona coffee. I hope you try it out. So fam, this brings us to the end of our video and the end of this recipe. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.